This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Sprague. Who wouldn't love this farmhouse chic home? Neutral light wall color with gorgeous wood laminate flooring and a beautiful shiplap wall in living room. Kitchen has recently been updated with fresh white cabinetry and an island that is perfect for cooking and entertaining. Wood privacy fence and shutters added within the last couple years. For more information, review the details below or contact Sprague at 580-237-6200.